our Global Icon Award winners are the world's most recognizable hotels that rank top in service, style, and amenities. Whether they're centuries old or brand new, these are the properties that define or help define a destination. When you think of Las Vegas, you think of the Bellagio, with its colorful fountains, world-class art exhibits, and restaurants like Michael Mina and Le Cirque. On the Amalfi Coast, the Monastero Santa Rosa is a brand new property, but one that we think will come to define an Amalfi vacation. This exciting new boutique hotel is already part of the landscape, perched dramatically on a cliff overlooking the Gulf of Salerno. The Mandarin Oriental is a Bangkok institution. Built in 1876, it is still setting the bar for luxurious service today.